We are preparing today Peas Francois.
All right.
We went to and found out that.
Go ahead and say
My
your
name is Terry Ramsbotham. My husband, you want to spell it? My husband and I, Joe Ramsbotham, that's R-A-M-S-B-O-T-H-A-M, are the proprietors of Wooden Ram Cookery, and we are here cooking for the troops this weekend.
Why is it important to preserve history, a woman's war perspective of history?
I just think that it's of our job is easy. It's of general interest to everyone that we're preparing food. We're historically correct. We make sure our food is the right season, it is from the right region, and it is from the right time period. So everything you see sitting here in front of you is historically correct. The soldiers would have gotten a ration, and the wives that followed would have gleaned fresh vegetables and other things from community stores in order to enrich in what they ate. And I think people are generally interested in whether people are eating the way we eat today.